Are you a marshmallow? Because I want some more. Hi, I'm Franco Marino, and this is Tara Evans, The Baking Show. So today we are going to be doing s'more pie, or more like a s'more dip, whatever one you would like to call it. This consists of any graham cracker. I actually like to get cinnamon graham crackers because they're just tasty by themselves. Regular size marshmallows, you could do jumbo size marshmallows, but I will tell you, they do make a little bit of a mess. Chocolate, any type of chocolate, preferably flat chocolate, so like chocolate chips or Hershey bars and stuff like that. Let's talk about what you have to do first. So you would unwrap the Hershey's. Hasn't been touched, that's a surprise.
Well, we just got them.
Yeah.
Just, any longer.
After this video.
Yeah, any longer.
You'll need about 4 Hershey's bars, maybe 3.5. Just depends how big your I love using cast iron pans because they leave more flavor, and I just love cast iron. So it just depends how big your pan is. It doesn't matter if it's non-stick. We're gonna start the chocolate laying session. I'm laying down the Hershey's chocolate bars. These are regular sized, they're not king sized. Chocolate chips will do fine as well. I actually kind of prefer chocolate chips because they take up more space without you having to do some geometry. It does not matter if they're layered on top of each other. They just have to cover a majority of the pan. So that should be good. You could do it a few different ways. I've done it sometimes where I incorporate the graham crackers with the s'mores. So if you would like to do that, you can. I just layer the marshmallows on top of the chocolate. This is probably the easiest part and most fun because who likes marshmallows? Everybody. You don't have to fill it up too much because as marshmallows get hotter, they do expand. So that's why I don't really like using jumbo marshmallows because they will overflow your pan if you're not careful enough. It's pretty simple. I first learned this trick, I don't know, 3 years ago when we had a few friends over, and they're like, "We know this super easy, cool dipping sauce," and I was like, "Okay," and like, "You got marshmallows and chocolate and a pan?" I don't know. Do we? Turns out we didn't, but our neighbors did. We made this. It's really good because the chocolate stays gooey, but marshmallows, they cool down really fast, and that leaves the marshmallows crunchy, and I love crunchy marshmallows. Sometimes marshmallows will be gooey, and then they'll cool down in your mouth, and that's like the sensation of a lifetime. Stove camera. All right, so we got the base part of it down. If you would like to add graham crackers or anything in this, it'd be cool because you could throw other types of chocolate, like white chocolate. You could throw marshmallows. We have these. Dehydrated marshmallows that are basically Lucky Charms. I don't know if they would work well on the stove, but these would be a very good topping. We're just going to throw the concoction in the oven, and we're going to check it every 5 minutes until the marshmallows are golden brown and until you cannot see the bottom of the pan. You should put the oven on 350 and preheat it until you're ready to put the marshmallows in. The oven is at 350, and I'm going to put the timer on for 5 minutes. You should check it every 5 minutes. Don't let the marshmallows burn, because who likes burnt marshmallows? Is Roman Burger eating marshmallows?
I'm in the audience.
And are you eating a marshmallow?
I
Where's
was
your
drinking
marshmallow?
bourbon, but I'm out. So, cameraman, whenever you get a second.
Oh. I guess I'm a bartender as well.
Yes.
All right, so it's about 7 seconds until we gotta take it out of the oven or check it. There it is. Looks pretty good. I don't know if you could get that, but
Ooh, you see those marshmallows orbing out like some sort of cosmic deliciousness.
oven acrobatics. This is what it looks like. It should look like that. The chocolate should be melted. So let me actually test that. Oh, pristine. It's like a river in there. To make it look presentable for you guys, we gotta make it look presentable. We're gonna take a few of these graham crackers and just throw the bits on there and stick them in little crevasses. Now we're gonna get a big one. We're gonna get a big piece and a little bit bigger. Boom. That looks good, doesn't it? I know it looks good. Taste test time. Actually, you should let it cool off for 5 to 10 minutes because it does get really hot. So I'll see you in 5 to 10 minutes.
Alright, taste.
All right, so it's been about 5 minutes. It didn't take us long since we got it out of the oven, right when it's just started to melt. But I've created this platter for us to snack on. So Tara, why don't you come in here? Here you go. You will get the first bite.
What? I get the first bite? Do I just dip it in?
Go ahead. I might have given you too much of a little piece.
Oh, it's okay. Oh, I got chocolate on here. I see it. Okay. Oh. Oh, good. Very good. How could that be bad? Oh. Everyone's moving in. Yeah, that's, did you hear that? Nice and crunchy on top. Well, that's
Big
quite
piece.
a bite.
Turn it, spin it. What are you doing?
This is gonna be a disaster. Just put it in your mouth.
All right, why don't we have Juicy Joe come in here?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
It's good, right? Goat.
It's me.
Oh my.
He did the double decker.
Very good.
I don't think we'll finish this in a while because of how sweet it is. You're gonna need something to drink with it. I recommend Franco's milkshakes.
Ooh.
Stay tuned for the next video. Franco's famous milkshakes.
Mm-hmm.
So good.
Comes out.
We gotta
Oh, one second. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-mm. Oh, yeah, I know. Okay, I'll see you soon. My people need me.